Hey United Country fans, this is Emily Pond with United Country Lifestyle Properties of Maine, and I am on the South Shore Drive in Warren. This lot is the town has it at 1.06, the survey says 1.1 acre lot, and it is across the road from South Pond. This lot is part of a kind of older subdivision, so there is a survey on it, but they also had a newer survey done on it. One of the previous owners had another survey done on it, and that's the survey that shows that this is actually 1.1 acre. You've got your rock wall over here showing the boundary from like when they originally started the subdivision, and it's also marked really well. There's orange on the trees. So I know it's hard to show this in a video, but there's a pretty decent elevation change from the road up here to this area of the lot. I would say it's probably a 30 to 40 foot elevation change. There's already a driveway put in that they have done themselves when they bought the land. So the driveway comes all the way from the road up to this spot here that's pretty well like leveled out. So this would honestly be your perfect spot to build on, or you could haul a camper in here, because this is a great like seasonal summer spot. I mean, you could absolutely use it year round because there's plenty of people on this road that do, but it would also make a really nice campsite. They have already had a septic design drawn up, and it's already, you've got the little flags over here marked where they suggested was the best spot. So you've already got a septic design to go by. There's power at the road. No water here yet, so you would have to, have a well drilled. So as I mentioned before, this is part of an old subdivision, and part of this subdivision is about 600 feet down the road. There is a almost 2 acre lot that's like a common area. So everybody in this division can go and use the pond on that area, and I'll show you that here in a little bit. But you have right of way to the pond on that area, which I said is about 600 feet down the road, so it's easy walking distance. Put a boat in or just go down there and spend the day by the water. Warren, Maine would be considered a coastal town because you're only about 6 or 7 miles from the ocean. This has a population of approximately 4,865 people according to the last census. So it's a decent population, honestly, for the state of Maine, for any town to have like that many people in it. But it's not congested, it's absolutely spread out. So nearby is the Bald Mountain Reserve, and it is 583 acres that are open to the public, and it's got some really great hiking trails. So if you like to hike, you've got that area close by. There's a winery in this town. There's all kinds of farmers markets, and I passed like a really nice greenhouse on the way here. So there's this offers a lot in this area, but you're also not far. You're only 17 minutes to Rockland. And I know a lot of people really enjoy Rockland. It's one of the nicer coastal towns with all its little shops, and you can actually catch a ferry there and go out to Vinyl Haven and North Haven. So, this is really a pretty decent area for if you really want to get close to the coast. It's really not super easy to see the pond from here with all the leaves out. When I was here in the winter, you can see the pond really well because you don't have like a lot of leaves on the trees, and most of the trees are across the road, so you wouldn't be able to cut those to make your view better. But anything on this lot itself, you could absolutely cut because it's not technically shoreland. If you cut a little bit of this stuff, you might even be able to see the pond even better. The asking price on this lot is $69,900. The yearly taxes are $570. There is an association that takes care of this road, so there is a $250 entrance fee, or every year you're going to help pay that, and it helps with the road maintenance. That does not cover plowing. So apparently all the landowners kind of get together and they help cover the cost of plowing separately. According to the survey, this lot has 196 feet of road frontage, and then it goes back about 225 feet. So here we are at the common area, and as you can see, you can absolutely like back a boat down into the pond here, and you've got a little kind of beachy area here that you can come and swim at, but this is your access to the pond. So like I said, it's within walking distance, and you can, you know, bring your boat down and launch it for the day. And so that's kind of a really nice feature of this subdivision, that you've got this access to the water even if you don't have water frontage. South Pond is about 548 acres. It gets to be about 20 feet deep at its deepest area. There's smallmouth bass, pickerel, perch, trout in here that you can fish. Like I said, put a boat in, go out and do some water skiing. It's just a nice quiet area. Warren is about 8 miles from Thomaston, or 8 minutes from Thomaston, and it's about 17 minutes to Rockland. And both of those areas would be your major shopping areas, and you've got hotels and restaurants and all kinds of things to do there. We are about an hour and a half from Portland, so you're not too far from Portland here. And then we are about 3 hours to Boston. So just to recap, this is a 1.1 acre lot with 196 feet of road frontage, with access to the pond at a common area that is about 600 feet down the road. There is a septic design available for this property, and there is power at the road. If you like this video and you'd like to see more videos, please hit like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you for joining me today in Warren. If you'd like some more information on this property, give me a call at 207-794-4152.